So this is how to change the iPhone 16 Pro Max screen. So first you remove this stainless cover, then you remove the battery terminal, then you remove the battery flex, then you remove the back, then you screw out this panel here, and then you screw out the screws, and then after then you remove the flex one after the other, and make sure you know where you remove the flex from. Be very be very very understanding. Then you remove the camera, then you remove the camera flex. You remove the yeah, you keep the camera aside, then you remove those other screws, speaker, and then you keep it on side. Then you screw out the yeah. mhm. Screw out the screws. Those all those screws here, screw them out so that you can get to remove the battery. You remove them. Make sure you know where you are removing all these things. Then you remove this and keep it. And then you remove the SIM tray and drop it. And you remove this one so that it will be easier to remove the battery. Okay, please pay more attention to this so that you can understand everything that is going on here. And you remove this one, and you have to be very careful so that you can know where you are removing all these things from. Then you screw this one out, yes, one after the other. If possible, you take a video of what you are doing. You pull out the panel so that you can know where you are removing the screw from. You can video yourself as you are removing it, as you are dismantling this phone now. You can video yourself and take a picture of what where you remove the screws and where you put them back. Like this is the panel, you keep it. Then you use blower, your workstation to hit on the screen. Then you remove the screen using a sharp, uh, yeah, screen remover. Then you pull it out. This phone was matched. Yeah, someone matched this phone. That's why the phone is like this. And the phone, the phone was bent in that process. So you see, the screen is bent, the phone. Then you use blower to blow that in so that you can remove, use chemical and pour it so that it will give you a very soft, sharp remove. Will make it easy for you to remove it. Then you pull out that knot, then you remove it and keep it. Silence the network. Then this is the time to solve the bending. Yeah, this bend. If you can't do it, don't do it with your hand because you can break it. So if you don't have this machine, you can take it to any other engineer that has the machine all over where they are doing mobile repairs. So you put it like this and you screw it and tighten it and do it one after the other, one after the other. Then then you do it after the other. Carry this one. You do it after so you will take this thing, you will do this thing. So although if you have this thing, you must have known how to use it to straighten phone. So then you just look, see the thing is straight now. the crack down. We are now, this is the time to fix the crack. Then you place it and push it. That is, if your phone has this similar issue, that's what you are going to do. But if it doesn't have the similar issue, you can just skip this step, because this is for those that has a bend a phone, and the phone is bent due to maybe match or anything. So, and after doing all this, then this is the time, after getting it fixed, then we can go straight to fixing the new screen now. So just make sure you clean everything and make it look sharp and nice for your customers. You clean and use chemical and clean all those things, and make sure you keep everything in place. No distraction in this time, so that you can concentrate. This is the new screen now. You bring it out. This screen costs about $330, the original screen. Then you bring it out, then you place it on the ground, then you fix the network that you remove that time. You fix it, then you screw and put the pin back and fix it. Then you bring the phone. This is the panel. You place the panel back. Then you fix the flex one after the other. If you are confused, then you can slow down this video and know where to place the flex one after the other. All the screws, so that you know where you remove them and you put them. Remember, I told you that when as you are removing, you can video it so that you can know where you remove each of the screw one after the other. You bring the camera, you fix it, then you put the flex and the screw and fix it where it's supposed to be. Then you you screw them one after the other. Bring the speakers and every other thing. Then you put them in order. You fix it. Please make sure you are putting each screw where you remove it, because this is a very delicate work. So you do it without compromising anything. So bring the speaker and every other thing and fix them after one after the other. Please make sure you don't make mistake about this. Make sure you don't let anyone distract you while doing this work. Put the knot one after the other and make sure where you remove it is where you are putting it. Where you put it is where you remove them. Then you put this thing. This. Then you bring the back cover and cover it. Then the screen you will just clip. Yes, the two flex, clip them. Then you put this lock and lock it. And then you cover it and then put it and fix it very well. And please, if you know you don't have any idea on how to go about this work, don't do it yourself. Take it to an engineer to do it, because this is a very delicate work, very work, very careful work. So you check, as you can see, everything is all right. Then you put this, okay, and put it back, and then just checking if everything is all right. Now that you know that everything is all right, you start putting all these ones. Then this chemical, use it and clean everywhere, clean all the places, and make sure everything is well clean, well placed, and make sure you remember all this place where you remove them and put them back. Then place the back cover, yeah, the glass. Then and make sure
everything is fine. And you put this screw, this back screw, and then you screw it. As you can see, everything is fine now. Then you plug, and you see that put the same slot back, put the SIM tray back here. And then as you can see, your phone is ready to use. See, everything is fine. Work is done. And please subscribe to this channel because you are going to get a lot of tips to how to make your phone work perfectly without going to engineer. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.